Hey guys, Assalamualaikum. My name is Hajar Naman and welcome back to my channel. You have already read the title of this video, which is how to wear your lashes, but this video will be exclusively with, drumroll, pop me out lashes. Yay! So a little about pop me out lashes. These are the most क्या कह सकते हैं उसको, budget friendly and easy to wear lashes in Pakistan. They're very affordable, they're budget friendly, they're very light on the eyes, and they have I think 1, 2, 3, 4 designs, and now they have 5 designs, which recently they launched another one. And so I'm going to start off using their lashes. I'm going to talk about them, and I'm also going to tell you how you're supposed to wear your lashes and how to cut them and how to apply the glue and how to apply them on your eyes. So if you guys are interested, then please keep on watching. Before we start, let's admire this little box. Pop Me Out Lashes की जो packaging है, it is super cute. It has these छोटे like avatars, you can say. Can you see them? They're like so cute, और थोड़ा सा pop art की तरफ जा रहा है, and I think I really like the fact that pop me out and pop art links together. So this design, this style is called Here. I really like their names. I have Here, I have Sony, one of my favorite, and I have Anarkali. The other two I don't have, so I will be using these to demonstrate how you're supposed to wear your lashes. So you're gonna start off with opening the lash box that you have, whatever lash you're using, and you're going to take it out from their box. And this is what the most of the lash wale jo hote hain comes in. So you're going to like do it like this, and then you're going to pull your lash nice and easy. You're not going to use any tweezer, or you're not going to use anything. You just like put your nail kone par aise karke, and then you're going to pull it out nice and easy, like so बाल उनके पुट्टे ना जाएं, उनके बाल जो हैं वो ख़राब भी ना हो, और वो easily उतर भी जाए ऐसे. Okay, I have my lash in my hand. I'm going to place it onto my eye, and I am going to see कि ये मेरी आँख से कितनी बड़ी है. So I'm just like going to place it randomly to get an idea मेरी lash कितनी बड़ी है. So you see कि it is like pretty long from my actual eye की length. So what am I going to do is I'm going to cut it. I'm going to cut it from the outer corner, not from the inner corner, from the outer corner of the lash. अब हम कैसे पता चलेगा कि outer corner कौन सा है, inner corner कौन सा है? The inner corner is comparatively छोटा than the outer corner. So it's छोटा बाल, नहीं छोटे बाल यहाँ से, and then you're going to like increase length. यहाँ पर increase हो रही है, और यहाँ पर जाके full increase होगी. Can you see? So this is the छोटी side, and this is the longer side. So you're gonna cut from the longer side. So you're gonna hold your lash like this. जो उसकी लंबी छोटी साइड है वो यहाँ पर, और जो लंबी साइड है वो यहाँ पर, and you're going to cut it like just a bit, and then you're going to measure your lash again कि अब वो fit होती है आपकी आँख के अंदर कि नहीं होती. So now again I'm going to place my lash जो मैंने काटी है onto my eye, and then measure that now it is exactly the length of my lashes. Now it's time to put on some glue. This, you're gonna take out some glue. I'm using this Envy glue. This is not available in Pakistan, but you can use any lash glue, and then you're going to apply it on the band of your lash. You're going to apply it aise on the band of your lash, not so much but not so little, focusing on the outer and the inner corner ज़्यादा, क्योंकि वहाँ से lash glue ज़्यादा उतरती है. So after you apply your glue, you're gonna wait for it to dry for about 15 to 20 minutes. Waiting का time differ भी करता है according to the lash glues you're wearing. Sweet Tooth की मैंने सुनी, Sweet Touch की मैंने सुनी that they're nice. I haven't tried it personally, but all of my like beauty influencer friends say that it's nice. Or So yeah, so the lash glue I'm using doesn't take so much time, so it's dry. Now let's apply it onto your eye. So you're going to hold your lash like this with the tweezer that you get with every order, and good if you're like a beginner. So you're gonna hold them ऐसे बीच से of your eye. So did you see कि मैंने सिर्फ बीच में इसको रखा है. Now what I'll do is I'm going to stick it from the outer corner, and then I'm going to move in to my inner corner. So once you have laid down your lash on your lash bed, you're going to press your fake lashes with your original lashes, so there is no gap between your original and your fakes, and they're nicely mixed and blend in together. This is what the hair style looks. So I'm going to show off the other two styles that I have, and then that's a wrap. The end of the video. I would like to say that if you guys are interested in purchasing these lashes, then I will mention their link down below from where you can purchase it. These are very reasonable. They're from I think 600 to 700, I'm not sure, but they're very budget friendly and they're not like expensive, and they're very easy on your eye. It doesn't feel like you're wearing any lashes. And not only that, Pop Me Out brand is coming out of a lot of more products. One of them is this lash turner, which I love when I'm not wearing lashes. Other than that, you should check out their Instagram page and you should definitely follow them for more updates of the products they will be launching soon, inshallah. Other than that, this hijab is from Aisha J Official. I will also mention their Instagram link down below in the description box. If you're from Pakistan, if you're looking for good hijabs, and they're like long and you can actually create layers and everything, then you should definitely check out their page. And this is pretty much it. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more. I will see you next time. Till then, take care, bye, and Allah Hafiz.